4 points in conditional formatting. In Microsoft Office Excel. 1. If the student score less than 50, need to show red fill-in cell. 2. If the student grade got A, need to show red fill. 3. If the student's result got fail, need to show red line. 4. If this cell match any names of student, need to show yellow line. ICT share. 1. If the student score less than 50, need to highlight the red color. First, I select on cells. After, I click on Home and click Conditional Formatting. I choose Highlight Cell Rules and click on Less Than Rule. And the number I set is less than 50. Click on this drop-down and choose Highlight Color on Cell. And click OK. Now, check the result on cell. The student score less than 50 has red highlight color. 2. Conditional formatting. If the student's result got grade A, need to show yellow highlight color. Now I hold select on cells. After, I click on Home and click Conditional Formatting. Choose the first rule and click on Text that contains. Inbox type A to set rule in cells. Next, click List button to choose highlight color. I pick yellow fill color. Now, check the outcome below. In cells, if any student got grade A has yellow highlight color, is correct for this rules. 3. Conditional formatting. In this option, if the student result got fail, I need to red highlight color on rows. Now I hold select on cells, all of students. Next, click on Home and click Conditional Formatting. And click on New Rule button. After, click Use a Formula. I need to add rule in box. Next, click on the first result in this cell. And press F4 on keyboard. Keep your $sign the same my example. And press equals. Open parentheses and type fail. Next, close parentheses. This formula is, this cells has the word fail. It will has the highlight color on cell. Now I click on Format to add the color. Click Fill and choose Color. Next, click OK. Now the result I saw that. The red highlight color has pop up on cells if student result is fail. 4. Conditional formatting. If I click on this cell and select names of student, the orange highlight color show on cell. OK, I will show you. Click this cell and click Data and click on Data Validation. Choose List and hold select all students' name. And click OK. Click on this button to check result. It's not yet has highlight color. Next, hold select on cells. And click on Home. And click Conditional Tool Choose New Rule. And click Use a Formula. Inbox, I need to press equals after use and formula. Next, click the first name of student. After, press key F4 2 times. Next, press equals. And click on List Cell. After, comma, and click on the first name of the student. And press F4 2 times. And press Not Equal to sign. After, press open and close double quote. The last close parenthesis and click Format. Choose Color and click OK. Now I click Student Name. The yellow highlight color is hover on cell. Okay, for conditional formatting sharing in this video is done. Thank you for your lovely sharing. See you in next video. ICT Share.